Hi, welcome to our presentation on Purina Equine supplements. We really appreciate you joining us today. My name is Allison McDougall, and I'm an equine nutrition consultant with Cargill Animal Nutrition and Purina Horse Feeds. So sit back, and I hope you will enjoy learning a little bit about our supplements. So what I'm going to talk to you about a little bit today is why should a horse owner feed a supplement? What types of supplements do we have? And the key features and benefits of each supplement. So why would somebody want to feed a supplement? Theoretically, all feeds are complete when they are fed according to the recommendations printed on the label. However, very few horses will actually require that much feed. Usually the horses that need the most feed tend to be the hardworking race horses and performance horses, and most other horses usually do not need as many calories as that. So of course, there is no need to overfeed them and make them obese to meet their vitamin and mineral requirements. So if a horse requires less feed than the amount recommended on the label and his condition is good, simply adding a vitamin and mineral supplement to the ration will help to ensure that horse is getting all his vitamin and mineral requirements met. So some of the supplements are included in our premium and platinum feeds at an inclusion rate that is equivalent to a maintenance level. So those supplements would be Horse Plus, XPC, Ultra, and there is athlete in many of our feeds, but it's not actually the same athlete that is in our supplement. That's actually a standalone supplement. So many horses need to be supplemented at a superior nutrition level due to heavier workloads, stressful environments, injuries, or health concerns. And growing horses and senior horses can also have specific age-related issues. So what kinds of supplements do we have? So we have 2 ration balancers. We have 3 concentrated vitamin and mineral supplements. We have a fat supplement, a digestive supplement, a hoof supplement, and a B vitamin supplement. So lots of options available. So the first supplement I'm going to talk about, many of you are very familiar with, is Equalizer. So Equalizer is categorized as a ration balancer. It is a pelleted vitamin and mineral supplement for all types of horses. It is low calorie, very low starch and sugar, with an NSC level below 12%, contains no whole grains or molasses. It contains an elevated level of vitamins and minerals with 12% protein. It has organic copper, zinc, manganese, and selenium. So what does that mean? It means that these minerals are more bioavailable when the horse has digested them. There are also 6 added B vitamins, and we've added the essential amino acid lysine, which is the most important essential amino acids for horses. So the feeding rate for this product is 750 grams to 1,000 grams per day. This is for an average horse of about 500 kilograms, probably in an average workload. And the maximum amount is actually for a horse that's not getting any feed at all. So you can actually use this product instead of using a feed if the horse does not require the extra calories from a complete feed. So this is a go-to supplement. It's recommended as a top dress to any ration for added nutrition. So you can use it for inactive adult horses, performance and leisure horses, ponies and miniature horses, and it can be fed as the sole ration for easy keepers. The size of this bag, it comes in a nice 25 kilo bag, so a good size. Yeah, that's pretty much all I have to talk about Equalizer. So the next one I'm going to talk about is Optimal. So if you're not as familiar with Optimal, it is also categorized as a ration balancer. It is pelleted vitamin mineral supplement. It is low calorie, very low sugar and starch with low NAC, again below 12%, no grains or molasses. It has an elevated level of vitamins, minerals, and protein. The protein's actually at 30%. This is the main difference between Optimal and Equalizer. And although the protein is 30% in this product, because it has a low feeding rate, you shouldn't be worried that it actually has too much protein. It's just enough to help balance out lower protein diets and for horses that need a little bit of extra protein. So in this product, we do have added lysine and methionine, both essential amino acids. And it also has the organic copper, zinc, manganese, and selenium. It also has 8 added B vitamins, so a couple more than the Equalizer. And again, the feeding rate for this product, you're looking at 1,000 to 1,250 grams per day for a 500-kilogram horse, the maximum amount being the amount if they're not getting a complete feed. You'll notice that the feeding rate is a little bit higher than the Equalizer, and that's to adjust for the amount of protein that's in the optimal. So that takes up just a little bit more room. So Optimal is formulated for broodmares, growing horses, ponies, and miniature mares and foals. This is the reason why it has the higher protein level, and it also has the higher vitamins and mineral levels, because these types of horses have higher requirements for these nutrients. So the calcium phosphorus ratio is 2 to 1. This is perfect for breeding horses. And also, this product can be used and recommended for performance, senior, and leisure horses if you're looking for improvement in top line. That's where the protein helps and the essential amino acids. Um, Performance and senior horses especially have a higher requirement for vitamins and minerals and protein. So even though this product was originally formulated for broodmares and growing horses, we find that it's actually also a great product to be used for performance and senior horses. Optimal will also balance low quality, low protein hay. So this is where you would make the choice between Equalizer and Optimal. If someone's feeding that low protein hay, then Optimal would be the better recommendation. And again, for easy keeping mares, foals, and stallions, this product can be fed by itself. So that's where you're looking at that higher feeding rate um, uh, when you're not adding a complete feed. And Optimal does come in a 25 kilo bag as well. So the next product that I want to talk to you about is called Easy Balance. And Easy Balance is a pelleted vitamin and mineral supplement for all types of horses. It is low calorie, very low sugar and starch, and it contains a concentrated source of vitamins and minerals. It has the organic copper, zinc, manganese, and selenium, and the 8 added B vitamins, and it also has a calcium phosphorus ratio of 2 to 1. So the difference between this product and Equalizer and Optimal is that it has a low feeding rate of only 150 to 200 grams per day. So this product is ideal for situations where you have people maybe that are boarding their horses and they're looking for a supplement that comes in a smaller bag, hence the concentrated vitamins and minerals. And also because this product, although it says that it has 10% protein, because the feeding rate is so long, it is not a significant source of protein, whereas Equalizer and Optimal, even though Equalizer is only at 12% protein, it still contributes more protein to the diet because the feeding rate is higher. So that's one of the main differences between a product like Easy Balance and the ration balancers. So this product is ideal for meal mixes and lower than recommended feeding rates. Again, too, if you have horses that are obese uh, and you really want to keep the volume down, this product is great for that. It is also suitable for the economical buyer. So it does work out that because the feeding rate is lower, you actually find that on price per, like the cost per day per horse, it's actually a little bit more economical feeding the Easy Balance than it is the Equalizer. So if you have a customer that is looking for great value, this would be the product. It's also very palatable because it actually has a flavor added to it. So even though the minerals and that are concentrated in it, we've made sure that it's a very palatable product. It is available in a 25 kilo bag. So the next product that I want to talk to you about is Equities. So this is a vitamin mineral supplement with no added protein, fat, or fiber ingredients. It's actually in a granular or powdery form. It contains 27 added vitamins and minerals. It includes vitamin E and organic selenium. The ingredients are very palatable, and it is fortified with biotin. It is convenient and versatile, and it's approximately 25 times more concentrated than our complete feeds, hence why the feeding rate is very low at 150 grams per day. So this product is suitable for balancing on-farm grains. So, for example, if someone's just feeding oats, you can add it to any meal mix to make it a little bit more complete. It is suitable as an economical vitamin mineral supplement. As I said, it's granular and can be used as a top dress with feed. We no longer offer a vitamin mineral block. So instead, you can actually use this product and it can be fed free choice with added salt and a 6-to-1 ratio. So what does that mean? 6 parts Equities to 1 part salt. So if you were mixing it up, another way of saying that is 6 cups of Equities mixed with 1 cup of salt would be the correct mix. And the addition of salt, just make sure that horses don't overconsume the vitamin and minerals. This product comes in a convenient 12-kilogram bucket, which is great for keeping it fresh and preventing it from getting too much moisture. So this is why it's been put in a bucket. Aqua 22, again, another product that is not widely known about, but is actually a really great product. It's a pelleted supplement with 22 added vitamins and minerals. It contains vitamin E and organic selenium. It provides a concentrated source of magnesium, potassium, trace minerals, and vitamins for horses 6 months of age and older, and it is fortified with biotin. The feeding rate again for this product is low at 180 grams daily. So the big difference between Aqua 22 and say a product like Easy Balance is that there is no added protein, calcium, or phosphorus. So this is suitable for horses on a balanced diet that need a top up. Equa 22 is a mineral and vitamin supplement that can be fed twice daily as a top dress or mixed into the grain portion of the ration. It can be added to any meal mix. And for people who are perhaps boarding their horse and they're getting a basic feed and they're just looking to, supplement some extra micro minerals, and you know that, they're getting plenty of calcium and phosphorus and they don't need any extra protein, then this product works really well for that. And it comes in 2 sizes, an 8-kilogram bag and a 25-kilogram bag. The additional benefit of this product, the fact that it doesn't have any calcium or phosphorus, it can also be recommended when you have a horse that's having issues with their kidneys or their liver. Quite often veterinarians will recommend something that has very low calcium or phosphorus. So we've actually been able to recommend this product for those types of horses, and it's worked really well. So this slide just highlights the differences between the different products. You can see the differences in protein. You can see the differences in the feeding rates. Um, all but the Equities is a pellet, and as you can see, the Equa 22 is the only one that does not have calcium and phosphorus, and they all contain organic minerals. And just a reminder that the feeding rates, those are the feeding rates that are recommended, the maximum amount for a 500-kilogram horse that is receiving no complete feed. So if you're recommending this product and the horse is getting a complete feed for Equalizer and Optimal, you can go on the website and use our ration balancer program to help you with the amounts, or reach out to one of our equine nutrition consultants, and they can certainly help with recommendations for that, for the other products as well. So Pure Athlete is our fat supplement. So as I mentioned earlier in the presentation, the Pure Athlete is a standalone product. It is not the same as what is in the feed. It has a higher level of fat at 25 to 27% fat. These are considered a concentrated and efficient energy source of cool calories. This product also has 20% protein, so helps to build muscle mass and improves the top line. It contains flaxseed, which is an excellent source of omega-3 and is very palatable in comparison to fish oil. So this is why we use flax in our feeds and actually in the supplement because we want to make sure that it's very palatable. It improves skin, hair, hoof condition, and overall appearance. It also contains blood-building nutrients, so copper, cobalt, folic acid, and vitamin B12. It has a controlled NSC, a level of 17% maximum, and it has a feeding rate of 500 grams to 1,000 grams per day. The lower feeding rate is used mostly to enhance coat condition, help with top line. If you're really looking to add lots of extra calories, then you would probably go up to the 1,000 gram per day. And we're talking about two cups a day for the 500 gram and about 4 cups a day for 1,000 grams per day. So this product is recommended for performance horses and horses needing to gain weight and improve top line. Horses that are reaching the maximum recommended amount of feed per meal. So the great thing about this being a concentrated source of calories is that, this is a way of adding lots of calories without adding extra volume. So since we know that horses have a smaller stomach and they can only eat, a certain amount of feed per feeding, this is a great way of getting those extra calories in and not overwhelming the amount of feed that's going into the horse's stomach. So this is also recommended for horses that have a dull coat. There is no added selenium in this product, so there are no worries about top dressing and worrying about possibly getting close to a toxic level of a mineral like selenium, which we have to be a little bit careful with. So once we're adding supplements, it's one of those things that you don't have to worry about with this product. It also comes in an extruded feed form, so it's highly digestible and has a really long shelf life. And it comes in a 20 kilogram bag. So the next supplement I want to talk to you about is Horse Plus. Horse Plus is a broad spectrum B vitamin supplement with added vitamin C and E. Horse Plus is a necessary blood building and anti-stress supplement to counteract the detrimental effects of intense exercise and ensure continual optimum performance. Supports concentration and focus, helps maintain proper immune functions, and contains antioxidants. And it also helps lower anxiety. So this is a really great product because it really helps horses with many things. So it's highly recommended for performance in senior horses. Many performance and senior horses have a hard time with digestibility. They're hard on their hind guts. The hind gut of a horse, which has the bacteria which helps digest fiber, also produce B vitamins. And the problem with when you have horses that are not digesting well, they're not going to be making as many B vitamins. So those types of horses are the kind that we would recommend the Horse Plus to. So not only with performance in senior horses, but also horses that have had health issues. So if they've had a colic, if they've had an injury and they've been on an antibiotic regimen, which can also kill off some of the bacteria in the hind gut, this is a great product to supplement and make sure that they're getting those B vitamins. Horse Plus is in our premium and platinum feeds, but it can also be top dressed to achieve the higher feeding rate recommended for horses needing a superior level of nutrition. And again, this product does not contain selenium, so there's no worries about having to try and calculate that out when you're top dressing. The feeding rate is 30 to 90 grams per day. And this product is available in a 3 kilo pouch, a 10 kilo bag, and a 20 kilo bag. BMZ. So we can't go amiss having a hoof supplement. This is a really fantastic product because it gets right to the point. It has the required ingredients without going overboard and adding a whole bunch of things in there that are completely unnecessary, especially if a horse is already getting a complete feed in combination with a vitamin mineral supplement or ration balancer. So this product contains 20 milligrams of biotin per dose. It contains D-L-methionine, which is an essential amino acid, and it contains zinc proteinate, also known as a chelated mineral. Chelated is basically the same as an organic mineral, meaning that it is more bioavailable for the horse. So these three ingredients, biotin, methionine, and zinc, is why BMZ is called BMZ. The feeding rate for this product is 30 grams per day. It's good. You can feed it to promote healthy foot growth. Horses that have cracks, soft soles, thrush, or laminitis. It is recommended for performance horses, and it works best when the rest of the ration is balanced. So making sure that that horse is getting the minimum requirements it needs already from the diet with a feed and a ration balancer. If the diet is not balanced to begin with before you feed a hoof supplement, feeding a hoof supplement is a waste of time because the body will take what you're trying to feed to help improve hoof growth and use it somewhere else in the body. So you need to make sure the body is getting everything that it needs first before you add the hoof supplement. So this is a great way of making sure of you know, adding in products if you're selling you know, different supplements. It's a great way of combining everything together and making sure that the horse is healthy, making sure that the customer is going to be happy because everything is going to work together really well. So this product comes in a 3-kilo pouch and a 10-kilogram bag. And next product is called Horseshield. So Horseshield is an immunity, vitality, and digestibility supplement for horses. It is enriched with vitamins and contains viable live yeast culture, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, and Diamond V XPC Ultra, which is included in the premium and platinum feeds. It also supports cognitive and behavioral functions in situations associated with travel, training, and competition, red blood cell production, immune system health, cartilage and joint health, hind gut microbiome, and healthy digestion and antioxidant activity in tissues. Horseshield is ideal for horses 6 months of age and older. So this is for people that are looking for a pre and a probiotic. So the prebiotic would be the XPC Ultra. That's what that means is it's actually feeding the bacteria in the hindgut and keeping them healthy. And the probiotic also works with helping to keep the bacteria in the hindgut very healthy and prolific would be the word for that. So horses that have diarrhea, horses that have had colic issues or have been treated with antibiotics, if people are feeding, if they have poor quality hay, this product really helps with horses that end up having a hay belly because it helps that bacteria in the hindgut to digest the poor quality hay and will help with eliminating a hay belly. So the feeding rate for this product is 55 grams to 85 grams per day, and it is a powder, so it comes in an 8-kilogram bucket, so that ensures that it stays fresh. So just a quick reminder about all of our Purina supplements. They are manufactured in a plant with high standards of biosecurity and quality. This way you're getting consistent quality. It is 100% drug-free facility, so there's no risk of drug contamination or getting positive tests. So people can be reassured by that. And of course, it's manufactured right here in Canada. In fact, in Strathroy, Ontario. And so this minimizes the transportation costs. It optimizes the freshness. And of course, it supports our local agriculture as well. And finally, if you have any questions about any of our supplements, you please, contact your local Purina dealer or an equine nutrition consultant, or you can reach out to Purina Connect. Purina Connect is also staffed with equine nutrition consultants, and they're available to help you with any questions that you may have. Thank you for joining us.